Hello, biology students. Welcome to this explanation of task 4B, in which you're going to be asked to make a couple of cladograms. This first one, you're going to be given a table. So you see the table of characteristics, lungs, dry skin, warm-blooded, milk production, so forth, all the way to bipedal, which bipedal, meaning you walk on two legs like we do. So the traits are along here. So those are the shared characteristics that the organisms have. And then we have the different clades. So these will be the organism. And so you'll be putting out here in these lines species A, species B, species C, all the way to the very end. So just remember that this one on the end would have all of the characteristics that are listed along here. And the one over here, the first clade, the out group, would have none of these characteristics. And then you can kind of figure that out from the table. This is the first one, and then the second one, I'll have an explanation as to you're going to be given just a skeleton, so you're only going to be given a blank cladogram and then a table and asked to fill that in. All right, good luck on this one, and then keep watching and I'll explain the backside of this handout. Hello, biology students. This video is to help you get started on this cladogram creation. So I've given you, and you'll find this over on the side tables, there is a skeleton of the cladogram. So here's the cladogram, but it doesn't have any of the organisms along the outside up here. And it doesn't have any of the traits along the cladogram itself, the way we've seen. However, I have given you a table here that shows you the different characteristics. So there are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 different organisms that you'll be placing along the outside here. So there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 places on the clads around the outside. And then there are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 traits that you'll be putting. So a trait here, a trait here, a trait here, 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 here. Sorry, let me let my kitty cat out real quick. So also note on this, on the handout or the table, that it gives you these traits: segmented, jaws, hair, placenta, multicellular, and limbs. Then it either has a plus or a minus. Plus means it has the characteristic, minus means it does not have the characteristic. So one of the places to kind of start wherever you're going to begin is I often start by looking at the organism that has none of the traits. So this organism right here, so I'll just tell you, or excuse me, actually that's a little bit of a lie. I was wrong about that. That does have one of the characteristics. There's a plus. My bad. Right here, this one, okay, this organism right here has all minuses. So it doesn't have any of the characteristics. So can it be above any of these? It cannot. So that organism must fit right here because it has none of the shared traits. That's that out group. So here you would put that amoeba would be right here. And you also know that the organism all the way out here has all of the characteristics. So then you can kind of figure out what goes out here, and it would have to have all the characteristics. So it seems like a difficult task at first, but if you break it down and just think about the number of traits that they have in common, I think that you will be successful. Hopefully you found this helpful, and then I will also have a key posted somewhere in the room. All right, thanks for watching.